We guide you through how to scan a YouTube QR code on your TV so you can quickly connect your phone or share content. First thing you need to do is to open YouTube app on your Samsung TV and navigate to settings or link with TV code section. Depending on your TV model, you'll see a QR code displayed on the screen. Next, grab your smartphone, open the YouTube app, and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Watch on TV, and select Scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on the TV screen until it's recognized. Once scanned, your phone will connect to the TV, allowing you to control playback, queue videos, or cast content directly. This method works on both iPhone and Android and makes pairing devices faster without typing long codes manually.